Hi everyone, David here from Beyond EV, and I'm at the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre for the Melbourne EV Show, and I've got another special video for you. This is going to be a full virtual reality 360 tour of the entire show. I'm going to just walk around with this camera and you will have full control over what you look at around you. If you're on your phone, you can just tilt your phone side to side and it will change the view, and if you're on a laptop or something like that, you can click the screen and drag to whatever it is you want to take a look at. So let's go have a walk around and see what's about. Seeker stand. It's the 001FR. Bunch of vendors on the other side, Police Lab, Road Hero, AEA, Tenfold Mazda is showing here with a couple of plug-in hybrid options. Thank you. Smart packaging. Here's a new vendor for this year, MSI. MSI, the computer company, are now starting to produce EV chargers for both residential and commercial use. So keep an eye out on those. They're going to be hitting the market very, very soon. And I reckon they're going to be a hit because if you've used MSI products before, you know that they're quality.
Anyway, good to see another brand, and you know, General Motors, left to straight,
the right hand
Holden, left to straight. This is their kind of way. But at least kind of like EV. So they only sell EVs.
The e-tron is the left hand side.
That's the old one. That's about 600
Love Polestar stand. Every expo they do, it's always each now one. And another new face, Horizon, who are focusing on commercial vehicles. So let's look at the stand and last show them here. Take it out later. Actually, say good day to the fans.
Hey, Beyond EV, the best BYD channel in Australia and New Zealand.
Thanks, guys. Smart stand, the hashtag 31. Let's go take a look inside. Very late in the day on the last day of the show, so it's starting to pack up already. What bracket? Guys, a EV towing Australia. Number of EV scooters, road scooters, and recreational scooters as well as a number of electronic e-bikes as well. We also got the Cube 2000 portable power station on the stand too. A test track. If you remember from the Sydney show last year, I was actually invited to do the media race on the Segway 9box. Very fun. Fortunately, wasn't able to be here at this time this year. XP stand with a very big showing here in the middle of the show. What you'd probably call the EV Combi.
Thank you for joining us, Melbourne EV Show. We're closing in 10 minutes' time, so we're getting those last minutes done. Thank you all for joining us. We look forward to welcoming you to the Sydney show, October 28th. Again, next time. We'll see you again. Thank you.
ID Buzz. Two-tone. A bit of space in that.
They just don't like that.
We can hop in. Can we get into the stand?
Individual vendors, finance. The BYD stand, which is BYD Melbourne dealership stand. They've got all the offerings on the stand except refreshed. Addo 3, let's take a look at the interior. Oh, maybe not. Not the new black interior option. Orange shark. From a distance, I wasn't a big fan, but up close, I actually like the orange shark. Definitely got some courage to it. If you haven't seen inside it, this is what it's going to be like. We've got leaf motor, C10s, full EV and hybrid option. Let's take a look. Hello. Hello. Look at the main stage where I was speaking earlier on. Sam's just doing closing comments at the moment.
Porsche Macan, I
Take a
drove
look
a
at this
Porsche
bad
Macan here to show.
The Rolls Royce Spectre.
Not that I bought it, it's just a higher,
Probably
not
the
a higher
most
test
expensive
drive.
EV
And
in
the Porsche
Australia
Macan is actually
right
the best-selling Porsche worldwide. The EV version. So the best-selling Porsche in the world is an EV. Who would have thought?
And that looks
years ago. This is Macan 4S electric, so there's an updated version of this. The model is called Turbo, and it has no turbos
6.2 litre
whatsoever.
V8.
But it's extremely fast.
horsepower,
So
electric
fast.
motor providing
Kind of scary. Porsche 718, so the Porsche Fox. There'll be an EV version of that coming. So hopefully there'll be more. You'll see it around those. Let's go to this is actually coming to market. This one is
Lorbeck vehicles. You've got the Ferraris over here.
It's a small electric SUV.
Wow.
A small closing on this, so they'll be here within a few months' time, I believe. But I think so. I think they make some really cool vans hopefully soon. So next we have the Smart Life. About the same size.
And finishing it off at these Lambos again. And that's pretty much it. Not as big a show this year as what I think it was compared to last year, but from what I'm hearing, I've only been here for 2 hours today, but this place has been chock-a-block all weekend. Apparently, someone said around 30,000 plus through the doors. Crazy. And some of these dealers have been selling not just dozens, but like over 100 cars off the stand on the weekend. This is just what I'm hearing. No idea whether it's true or not, but if so, I do think this was a pretty successful event. But I'm interested to hear your thoughts. What did you think of the offerings on show today? Let me know down in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Beyond EV for more BYD and EV related videos. I've got plenty more headed your way. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.